How to create a TikTok account in 2 minutes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create your new TikTok account. For this, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar and here type TikTok. Now you want to have this application installed on your device. After it has been installed, you simply want to open TikTok app on your device. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have the log in to TikTok option. If you already have an account, you can log in using all of these methods. If you do not have an account and want to create a new TikTok account, go ahead and tap on the sign up option at the bottom of your screen. Now in order to sign up, you can use your phone number, or you can also continue with your email. You can also continue with your Facebook account or continue with your Google account. If you want to continue with your phone number, go ahead and enter your phone number over here. Then tap on the continue option. If you want to use your email, tap on continue with email option. Now go ahead and enter your email address over here. Then tap on the continue option. Now it will prompt you to creating a new password. Go ahead and create that. Make sure you create a strong password that matches all of the criteria. Now tap on the continue option. Now you will have to enter your date of birth. Once that is done, tap on the next option. Now you want to create a nickname. You can skip these process if you want. Once that is done, you can tap on your profile icon, and as you can see, your new account has been successfully created. And in this way, you can create a TikTok account in 2 minutes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.